Is it because the pair constructor doesn't respect linearity? No, because I'm passing it to pure 1. I guess pure 1... Doesn't pure 1 construct from a single use? Gives you a use 1. Yeah, that's fine. I'm pretty sure that means single use. Yeah, single use. Why does it think that's nonlinear? How is this not possible? Is that how this works? Do you know what it is, though? Yeah, you do. Okay. How do I construct one of these? Is it like that? Mismatch between... What just happened? Process and get name. You can't unify with type and string to type. Uh-huh. Oh, because that's a type constructor. Yeah. Whoops, what did I do? I just yeeted that to the shadow realm, apparently. Okay. No, it still exists somewhere. Oh, it's there. Okay. So yeah, for a type constructor, that's my type constructor. P is not accessible in this context. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Why you gotta be like that? Do I have to make a new database? Because that would be cringe. Whoops. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Does this work though? Type checking is one thing, but I aim for a little bit more than type checking. We'll leave that there. We'll say let is get name. No. Okay. Okay, what have we learned? We've learned that there's fuckery with destructuring. You consume a value by pattern matching on it, and then after you've pattern matched on it, you can't do this, right? You can't just remake the same thing by matching on this, and it gives you a completely incomprehensible error message about it. But this consumes DB, and if you want to get it back, you've got to make it again. Very annoying. We've also learned. Let's see if we can bring back. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm curious if it'll type check. Will that type check? Whoops. Yeah, that will type check. Okay, so we don't need to use the res type. So we should be able to, we'll put this to the side for the moment. We should be able to go print db equals let p db equals get name db in, and then we should be able to go put string line, the db is at ++ p, and then discard that and return the database, I think. What don't you like? Oh, okay. Yeah, so we can do that. All right. We'll do something like that. Okay. So the main thing that we learned is that we need to deconstruct and then rebuild our linear types if we want to do shit like this. I think that should be allowed. And I think it should mean exactly what you think it means, which is that DB should be replaced with make DB PC. I wonder if you can do that even without using DB at all. No, you can't. You have to fully deconstruct with no whatevers and then fully construct it again. Oh my god. What a pain in the bunghole. Alright. Brilliant. There should be a file error, I think. Yeah, that's fine. We might keep this around for now, because we'll come back to it at some point. The other thing I want to know, is can I do that? Yeah, I don't think I should be allowed to do that. And the other thing I want to know is, I guess I should put the new DB inside here, because if I create it outside, I can reuse that context. I don't think I should be allowed to on like a type system level, but I guess there's not really much you can do about it. The other thing I want to know is if I can do this. Yes, I don't think I should be allowed to do that either. Okay. So the problem is that I need to run and I guess I'll do it in a do block. I don't think that's how the rule works. I think I have to do it like that. And then in the do block, I want to... Does that syntax work? What did he do here? Let's write it out first. Let's see if it works. Let's go db equals new db path d. No. What does new db do? Yeah, so maybe we should move the new db into the monad, even though I don't want to. Because we should be doing all of our computation in the monad. And this should just be a do. No. And that should be a pure... See, that's the thing. I really don't think it should be a single use value. I think only this one should be single use. What is the bind? How does that work? So it's really just LIO. You can change between uses. That's interesting. But I guess we want to force the new db function to be called inside the monad. So, or at least its value to be used inside the monad. No, to be called inside of it, right? Is that how that works? I don't think so, because you can call it from anywhere. The question is, can you use it? I'm not sure this makes a difference whether it's inside or outside. Yeah, I just don't think it matters. Alright, yeah, I don't think I should be able to do any of these things. Like DB, it should be single use, and so doing this should be not allowed. Again, DB should be single use, so doing this should be not allowed.